was completely emasculated.
Yeah, what else?
Ha! Beep, 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 beep.
What does that mean?
I was completely emasculated. Anyway, it's not...
What does that mean?
Like if she wants to know if I'm pleased with something, she'll say,
I'm all itchy back here.
What does that
happy, pappy, happy, pappy, happy, pappy, happy, pappy, pappy, pappy.
I'm all itchy back here. I'm all itchy back here. I'm all happy back here.
Anyway, look who's talking. You just broke up with Melanie last week because she fucked you while you were watching TV.
Hey, I got a
Real thing about having it.
Yes, 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 yes.
You could push me an opportunity.
We're all straightened out?
You happy, Pappy?
All right, well, that's very sweet.
Hey.
I had a very gay lunch with George Costanza today. Not that there's anything wrong with that.
I mean, what are you thinking about, Jerry? Marriage? Franklin Delano Romanowski? Family?
They're prisons!
Prisons! Yeah, and you can forget about watching TV while you're Yeah! You know what? Because it's dick time. What? You talk about your day. How was your day today? Did you have a good day today or a bad day today? Well, what kind of day was it? Well, I don't know.
It's sad, Jerry. It's a sad state of affairs.